Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own crochet braid. Yes, you can do this yourself. Crochet braid is one of the easiest hairstyle you can make. Yes, this is the tutorial of how I coil this hair and all that. So I will be using 1.5 expression. I use 1.5 expression for this tutorial. And if you want your yours to be very full, you can use 2 pack. Okay, so I use 1.5 expression, not even up to half, just like quarter, like half. I divided it into 2. That is a bit quarter, not half like that. Okay, so my hot water is ready. This is the hot water I'll be using. So after this, I will leave it for like I actually leave it for like a day and also and other. So I leave it for about a day so that I want it to dry very well and all that. So guys, this method of rollers, you can also use it to achieve kinky coils. You know that kinky coils you use for crochet and all that. Like if you want to go and buy kinky coils, like kinky, that normal kinky you used to do your bubble twist and a passion twist and all that, you can use this to achieve that. Yes, you can use this to achieve. Kinky is used for a lot of things. You can use this for any kind of thing, like any type of hairstyle you want to make, bridal hair, any kind of tutorial you want to, you can use this coils to achieve it. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I will leave you all to watch this video to the end, and don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video. Okay, please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So guys, I will see you all on my next video. If you find this video interesting, let me know in the comment section. So guys, bye.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.